Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what to do when your Netflix shows error 2.0. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this easy step to fix that. So here, when you will see here Netflix, so basically Netflix error 2.0, like it will show we are currently researching this error and determine that to solve. So to solve that, you can just connect your Netflix support and it will be solved. If it shows in general, it is because of some error issue it may cause by the Netflix, or you can just contact the support if you are facing again and again. So to fix that, you can just wait some time, or you can create a new account if you want, if you want to watch like eagerly, and you can create the new account as well. So by this way you can do it. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. And also, at last, thank you for watching.